Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Powerful website you should know. Free online platform that provide many useful tools for editing and converting files directly in your web browser. You do not need to download or any software on your computer. Simply open the website, upload your file, make the changes you need and download the finished result. 123 apps offer a wide range of tools for video, audio, PDF and file conversion tasks. For video, you can trim clip, merge video and text, resize video, rotate video and even record your screen. For audio file, you can cut music, adjust volume, change speed, join multiple audio file and record voice clip. The platform also includes PDF tools that let you merge, split, compress, protect and convert PDF document. One of the biggest advantages of 123 apps is its simple and beginner-friendly interface. Even user with little technical knowledge can easily edit file in just few clicks. The service works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and iPhone devices because everything runs online through a web browser. Whether you are a student, content creator, office worker or casual user, 123 app can help you complete common file editing and conversion tasks quickly and convenient without installing expensive software. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.